welcome to XQ. Today I'll walk through a few real-world ransomware and data exfiltration attempts demonstrating how XQ solutions effectively prevent them. In the first example, I'll do an insider threat data exfiltration attempt similar to a Snowden effect. So the user I'm currently authenticated with actually has access to all the documents that are currently being stored within this S3 bucket. He's going to connect Vault to that target directory, essentially spinning up that virtual file share that we displayed previously. Due to their nefarious actions, they're going to attempt to move out these decrypted data items to their local drive. Any movement of decrypted data items is prevented by XQ's Vault solution. In the second example, I'm going to show a continuous ransomware extortion example where the user's architecture has been compromised, that being their AWS account. So now the nefarious actor has access to all these documents that are currently being stored within S3. So they're going to attempt to download out all these individual items. With XQ, each one of these items is uniquely encrypted with a unique encryption key. So if the user attempts to actually open any one of these items, all they will see is the underlying encrypted data where each file is uniquely encrypted with a unique encryption key. Within XQ's management portal, the administrator can then drill down into those items that have been compromised, such as this patient data 2015 file, and revoke access to that specific data item. This will destroy the encryption key associated with the specific item, essentially eliminating all access to the specific item. Here I'm going to attempt to actually access that same exact document utilizing the user who typically has access to this data. What you'll notice here is that the user can't actually decrypt the underlying content anymore. So his access will be prevented. Secondly, let's say the nefarious actor is going to utilize Vault to connect to the target destination. In this example, they're going to authenticate using their credentials and connect Vault to the same target repository that the typical user would have access to. Here now, they're going to attempt to access any one of these underlying documents, such as patient data 2018 document. Any action to decrypt these specific data items will be prevented with XQ. Here, they'll get immediate notification that they don't have access to one or more files. This is due to their inability to access the underlying decryption keys.